Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of smart cleaning with the top 5 best robot vacuums on Amazon in 2026. Whether you have pets, carpets, or hard floors, I've got you covered. We'll check out their features, performance, and what makes each one stand out, so you can pick the perfect robotic helper for your home. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Roborock Q7 M5 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. Upgraded from Q5 Max Plus. 10,000 Pascal suction. Dual anti-tangle system for pet hair and carpet. Presence LiDAR navigation. Self-emptying for 7 to 9 weeks. App control. The Q7 M5 Plus is perfect for pet owners and busy households. Its suction is powerful enough to clean carpets and hard floors efficiently. The self-emptying bin is a game changer. You don't have to think about vacuuming for weeks. Pros: extremely strong suction, 10,000 pascals. Dual anti-tangle system handles pet hair effortlessly. Long self-emptying interval. Precise LiDAR navigation. Cons: slightly pricey. App setup can be confusing for first-time users. Number 2. Lefant LiDAR Robot Vacuum and Mop M330 Pro. Smart mapping and obstacle avoidance. Tangle-free for pet hair. 2.4G 5G Wi-Fi with app control. Slim design for better coverage. Carpet detection. The Lefant M330 Pro is compact yet intelligent. It navigates tight corners easily and avoids obstacles smartly. It's great for smaller homes or apartments with lots of furniture. Pros: slim design for tight spaces. Excellent pet hair management. Smart mapping and carpet detection. Works with 2.4G 5G Wi-Fi. Cons: slightly shorter runtime compared to high-end models. Mop water tank is small. Number 3. Roborock Q7 L5 Robot Vacuum and Mop. 8,000 Pascal suction. Dual anti-tangle system. LiDAR navigation with no-go zones. Self-charging robotic vacuum. This Roborock model is an upgraded version of Q5 Pro. It's a strong performer for medium to large homes, and the no-go zone feature keeps it from entering restricted areas automatically. Pros: reliable cleaning performance. Dual anti-tangle system. Smart navigation and no-go zones. Easy maintenance. Cons: suction slightly lower than Q7 M5 Plus. White color may show dirt easily. Number 4. Shark AV753 Ion Robot Vacuum. Tri-brush system for multi-surface cleaning. Wi-Fi connected, works with Alexa. 120-minute runtime. Gray color. Shark's AV753 Ion is ideal for families with mixed floor types. The tri-brush system picks up dust and debris efficiently, while Alexa integration makes it easy to control hands-free. Pros: multi-surface cleaning efficiency. Voice control with Alexa. Good runtime, 120 minutes. Affordable for Shark quality. Cons: lacks self-emptying feature. Navigation not as precise as Roborock. Number 5. Roborock Qrevo S5V Robot Vacuum and Mop. Flexi arm edge mopping. 12,000 Pascal suction. Dual zero tangle system. Smart obstacle avoidance. Auto mop washing and drying. Self-emptying and refilling. The Qrevo S5V is a premium option with next-level cleaning features. It handles heavy debris, pet hair, and even mopping effortlessly. The self-cleaning and refilling mop system is perfect for hands-off cleaning. Pros: ultra-powerful suction, 12,000 pascals. Advanced anti-tangle system. Auto mop washing and refilling. Smart obstacle avoidance. Cons: bigger footprint, may not fit in tight spaces. So, there you have it, the top 5 robot vacuums of 2026. If you want the ultimate hands-off cleaning, the Roborock Qrevo S5V is unbeatable. For budget-friendly efficiency, the Shark AV753 Ion or Lefant M330 Pro are solid picks. And if you're looking for a balance between suction power and smart features, the Roborock Q7 M5 Plus and Q7 L5 are excellent choices. All links are in the description if you want to check them out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews.